Hi, I'm Pat Jenner. I'm the Regional Retail Manager at Nichols & Clark. So today we are here in our Harlow store, and I just wanted to show you some of our showcase tiles that will help inspire some of our customers with any future projects they may have up and coming. Our collections of tiles here at Nichols & Clark are not just here to be made beautiful, they're here to withstand the test of time. The bay here that we have behind me is an Italian porcelain coming in 2 finishes, using a lovely gloss finished wall tile. And then the matching complementing natural finish in the floor tile. So standing in front of this marble bay, this is one of our showstoppers at the moment with a very on-trend marble effect tile. Here we use a tile called Costello, which is a very light Carrara marble. Combining that with black finish sanitary ware is very on-trend at the moment. As you can see from the bay in front of us, we have linked in with a black shower enclosure, black shower, and then going into the accessories onto the basin, even down to the smaller parts as a click-clack waste, so that the whole theme of the bathroom links and joins together. So here we have a tile called Costello. Costello is a very strong, heavily detailed marble typically found of Indian origin. So the heavily defined marble textures within this range are here to set off any bathroom. When looking at the range between us, we have used a very subtle white on the side walls and either side of a picture framing in terms of a feature wall behind a bath. The black gives us the real standout of the feature, which is what you want to draw your eyes to. So when you're looking at bathroom suites where you've spent lots of money on the sanitary ware, having open designs and round circular finishes, this range allows you to highlight them ranges by using the feature stripe as we've done here, or in some cases the customers will use it as a full feature wall in the black and then surrounding within the white. So here we are in a lavish bay. This tile is a 60 by 120 Italian porcelain. Most of the designs currently at the moment are of a grayscale, as that's what's on trend at the moment. Trends tend to move, and we tend to look at trend forecasting to help us when we're looking at new tile ranges for customers to help inspire for future projects that are up and coming. Here we're showing it in a nice warm tone. We're going to start seeing more and more tiles coming back in these beige tones. The great thing about the lavish is if you get the close-up look, you can see the in-depth detail within the marbling, and the more you look at it, the more it actually jumps off the page at you, showing the high quality that this tile has within the range. We have other products in the range that have other needs, but in this case, this is one of our higher end tiles, just showing that real element of class. What about incorporating wood within a bathroom? Here we use a very dramatic blue wood within a bathroom environment, and the availability of using a gloss finish tile and a natural finish tile allows us to give us the ideal wet room look, giving clean, clinical lines within a bathroom. So behind me we have our timeless future stone look within one of our bays. This is available in 3 sizes, which we call our good, better, best. 30 by 90 being the flagship leader, and also comes in a 60/30 and a 27/42 to hit all price points to make sure that our customers can have the look that they require. The bay that I'm standing in now has a very architectural led design by having a hexagon feature tile on the back wall. Also with that is an inkjet technology and a glazing that is new to the industry, whereby the product is made, the veining is actually textured, and within the texture of that they then reglaze to leave a luster on the surface of the product. Luxury tiles at affordable prices. We can do that at Nichols & Clark. Using one of our showrooms, you can see here with the bay behind me that using a feature wall and floor of a luxury tile and putting it with a generic field tile will bring the average cost down drastically to help fit within your budget.